So you can see the screen. My name is Jayashree Venkatachalam. I am your BCom coordinator, as well as I will be teaching you business economics. And you are quite maybe such a confusing group of degree students who are still continuing with this online teaching. If everything goes well, maybe after the Deepavali vacation, the physical classes will start. We don't know because the third wave is still an unclear concept. Okay. So regarding the online teaching, certain things I have to make it very clear. I will just switch on my video for 2 minutes because I'm not wearing, sorry, that's the reason I did not switch on my video, but just I switched on so that you can see me who did not see so far. Okay, children. Now the main issue of online teaching is you should be self-responsible. You have to understand that it is my own benefit I should listen because nobody can be behind you. Please understand that. And examination, we don't know. As on now, it is online. Multiple choice question. Each question carry 1 mark. I told you that is an online scenario. If it is offline, 100 marks paper, that will be a very tough game indeed. Now I am directly coming. Today my job is basically to make you introduced with the syllabus of business economics SEM 1. Children, you can see here the word business economics. See, this is what you have to give importance. This is not the traditional economics. This is business economics. We will explain to this as we go further. Before that, as every teacher is telling you, everyday basis, the YouTube will be shared with you. YouTube link, the YouTube video. So you will have to watch and you have to prepare your notes from the YouTube video. It's very easy for you. When you like the YouTube video, click the like button so that teacher will also be getting some motivation, and watch the YouTube fully. Don't be under the impression, no madam, we know that, so we are not going to watch it. It should not be like that. You should watch. Okay. Now, what all things you will be studying in this semester? Children, you are having semester exam. You know that semester means 6 months. So 1 year, 2 semester. Do not annotate yourself, children. Okay, I had already disabled the annotate. Young children, listen properly. Okay, don't waste your time in such type of things. Now, the very first module, what you are going to study in business economics is the scope and importance of business economics. So you will be getting familiarized with the concept of business economics. That is your first module. Second module is demand analysis. Demand analysis, don't think that that's only about law of demand. We will be studying quite a bit. We will start with law of demand, there's no doubt, but we will go further with determinants of demand. Then there are some case studies. Okay. What do you mean by case study, children? Case study means simple mathematical problems. It will be simple, but you have to learn it. Simple mathematical problems. That is case study. Okay, module 3 is supply and production decision. These are all new things which you have not done in 12th standard. You know what is production function? The law of diminishing returns. You have studied law of diminishing marginal utility. That is different. This is the law of diminishing returns. Then, increasing returns, returns to scale, so many things. Then the last module is cost of production. You are very well aware that 1 minute is heavily just putting the slide. So cost of production play a very important role in economics. We will discuss all that in detail. There are 4 modules now. Okay. My basic task before me is to make you understand what is business economics. Module means chapters. It does not mean exactly children. Module means number of chapters. एक module के अंदर 3-4 चैप्टर होगा, 5 चैप्टर्स होगा. That is module. एक module, एक chapter, no. एक module means number of chapters. That's the meaning of it. So we call it as modules. Okay. If there is any doubt, you can put it in the chat box. I will clear it, because I will be frequently checking the chat box. Now, the biggest question what you will be asking or what is coming in your mind, Madam, do we have to buy the textbook? I told you, you don't have to buy the textbook because entire YouTube videos will be shared. You can study from there. Plus, library will allow you to take the books. In addition to that, if the people feel, no, madam, we have to buy the book, that is up to you. But which book you will buy? The book which is written by 3 authors, but the book is popularly famous or popular by the name of Johnson. Dr. Johnson, Mascarenhas and Chatterjee. Business Economics, Semester 1. This is the name of the book. Publisher is Manan Prakashan. If you tell Manan Prakashan, you will get the book. But you have to see that you are getting Semester 1 book. Or if you say Johnson ka book do, even then you will get the book. If you are interested to buy the book. Now, I am just starting economics with this person you are familiar, Leonard Robbins. You have studied about him in 12th standard. Okay, who has written a very famous book, an essay on the nature and significance of economic science. I hope you are remembering this, definition of Robbins. Many times you will be having the doubt, Madam, why we are studying economics and commerce? Children, please understand that economics and commerce are part and parcel. No student can become a successful commerce graduate without understanding economics. Economics समझ में आना सबसे important है. What is the reason? We are using economics in daily life. So economics समझ में आना बहुत important है. यही economics हम commerce में apply करेगा. That is why every year, every semester you are having economics. So according to Robbins, what is economics? This तो आपने पढ़ा है. Point number 1, economics is a social science. देखो, whoever wants to write down, you can write down. You can sit with the pen and you can take down. Because I told you it's a faceless teaching. मैं आपको हर एक स्टूडेंट को देख नहीं सकता है. So आप खुद जिम्मेदार होने पर मैटर कदम. Because first year subject में आपको मालूम है there are 7 subjects. उस 7 subject में top level difficulty में number 1 is mathematics. Number 2 is economics, especially Sem 1. There are so many diagrams. So if you do not sit with the pen or pencil and the book, you cannot understand. You will say, Madam, हमने तो 12th standard ऐसा ही pass हो गया. I told you, your foundation, your base, children. The base is weak. What do you mean by base? Building बनाने का time हम देखा होगा नीचे, वो लोग base बनाएगा, foundation. वही फाउंडेशन में बराबर मिट्टी नहीं डालने पर the whole building will be shaking. आपका भी स्टोरी वही है. You might have got good marks in 12th, we are not denying that, but if your base is weak, naturally becoming a graduate is very tough. And attend the lectures regularly. That is more important. Attending one day, then again attending after 3 days, you won't get any continuity. Please remember, you should be familiar with the paper. So economics is a social science. Children, what do you mean by economics is a social science? If anybody knows, you can tell me, no problem. If you do not know, also no issues. I will explain to you. Okay, economics is a social science. The reason is this. अब देखो, economics studies ये देखो, human behavior. That is why it is known as social science. It should be clear to you. Economics studies human behavior. Economics आपके बारे में पढ़ता है, मेरे बारे में पढ़ता है. And how does economics study human behavior? In relation to wants. ये भी आपने पढ़ा है. And scarce means, ये देखो, which have alternative uses. By the time you will be remembering. This is what you have done in 12th standard. Point number 1, economics is a social science because it is dealing with human being. I will say economics is not a natural science. Physics, chemistry, they're all natural sciences. But economics is dealing with human beings. But what part of human beings we will be studying? We will be studying the economic aspect. Children, thoda dhyan rakho. Economic aspect. I will give you the example. If you are sitting with the book, you can take down. Point number 1, economics is a social science. Point number 2, economics deals with economic aspect. Madam, economic aspect kya hai? There only I am going to give you the example. Suppose that, let us assume, I read somewhere, in the newspaper, Salman Khan was asking, or maybe he is getting paid 350 crore for attending that Big Boss show. Okay, 350 crore. Okay, to participate or to become the part of Big Boss. I do not see that, I just read it. Okay, I'm just rubbing this so that you will get the place. So I told you Salman Khan will be paid 350 crore. Here we are concerned with, this is the part of economics. What is the reason? Because it is dealing with money. He is getting 350 crores. Okay, how he will be utilizing the money? That is coming under economics. How he will utilize this money. Be very careful. But whether he is participating in Big Boss or whether he is acting in some other film, we are not bothered. Make it very clear. What is the reason? You have studied, you will be remembering, you have to remember. Economics deals only with economic aspect. Economic deals only with the economic aspects. मतलब economics politics के बारे में बात नहीं करेगा. Economics history के बारे में बात नहीं करेगा या sociology के बारे में. Economics deals purely with economic aspect of the human being. Being the first lecture, I am giving you examples, okay, so that you will be comfortable. Students should be comfortable with the subject. It is very important. Okay, children. So I had given you one example. Salman Khan will be paid 350 crore for participating in the Big Boss show. Here we are concerned only with the 350 crore. Because money is involved, so we are thinking economic aspect. We are not bothered whether he is acting in, this Big Boss or any film or in South Indian languages. We are not bothered. That is not our lookout. Okay. Now I will give you another example. Everybody nowadays makes fun, you can say, or talks about Vijay Mallya. Children, have you heard about Vijay Mallya? विजय मल्ल्या के बारे में सुना है या नहीं? Yes or no? चलो, okay, ये देखो, विजय मल्ल्या, he was owning Kingfisher Airlines. आपको मालूम है? हाँ, इधर वो chat box में डाले. Very nice of you, chat. मैं अभी देखा chat box. You are right. So Vijay Mallya is, he was the owner of Kingfisher Airlines. Okay, we know that वो तो बाद में loss में गया. He ran away from the country. I told you that is not the part of economics. Whether a man is running away from the country, whether a man is walking inside the country, we are not bothered. We are bothered with two things. We are bothered with airlines because airlines is an industry. So many people were employed. So many people lost the job. Dekho, there we are studying economics. Another point of dekho, Kingfisher karke, I think there is a liquor, there is a drinks. Because Vijay Mallya is very famous. Vijay Mallya is very famous for his liquor business. उसमें लिखता नहीं है, वही मैं am trying. 1 minute. जगह मिल गया, लिखता है. He is very famous for liquor, drinks. Okay. लेकिन इकोनॉमिक्स में हमारे लिए इतना ही चिंता है, which liquor brand he is selling, what is his sales, what is his profit. ये देखो, children, be very careful. Economics deals only with these two things. I am talking about business economics. विजय मल्ल्या का जो लिकर बनाने वाला कंपनी है, मतलब दारू, वो जो बनाने वाला कंपनी है, उसका सेल्स कितना है, उसका प्रॉफिट कितना है, वी आर कंसर्न्ड. विजय मल्ल्या ने कितना शादी किया, वी आर नो वे बॉदर्ड, बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट इकोनॉमिक्स, दैट इज पर्सनल. So please try to understand the difference between economic aspect, because economic studies about only the economic aspect. I hope it is very clear. So first I told you economics is a social science. Economics is a social science, one. Second is it study human behavior. Dekho. In relation to what? In relation to wants. And scarce means, ये तो पढ़ा है 12th standard में. Yes or no? This is the crux of economics. Economics deals with three things. What are the three things, children? 1 minute, I am just trying to change the slide. Okay, this we will come here, I am just writing. Don't look at this slide right now. Economics deals with two things, or rather three things. First is unlimited wants. You have to remember. Madam, exam ही नहीं लिखा, याद कैसा होगा? Children, याद होना ही पड़ेगा. Otherwise, now you study. Economics deals with unlimited wants. ये भी आपने पढ़ा. Scarce resources. Economics में scarce का meaning क्या है, children? Limited. Okay, and the resources got alternative uses. This you have studied in 12th. This is Leonard Robbins' theory of economics. First, human wants are unlimited. What is the example, children? Human wants are unlimited. Suppose that I told sochne ke liye. In it, we can, right? हमको कुछ भी सोच सकते हैं, सोचने के लिए तो पैसा का सब।
मैम स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है।
1 minute, wait, because I have muting the people. हाँ, अभी दिखता है हीरो? अभी देख सकता है? Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you. Don't unmute in the middle because it will create, disturbance in the flow of the lecture. I told, just imagine, आप सोचो, आपको लॉटरी मिल गया. सोचने के लिए क्या प्रॉब्लम है? कुछ भी सोच सकता है. So, आपको लॉटरी मिल गया 50,000 rupees. Okay. Naturally, you are very happy. फर्स्ट आप बोलेगा मैडम देखो ना, मैं ये करेगा वो करेगा, आपका माइंड में इतना बड़ा लिस्ट आएगा. 50,000 rupees लॉटरी मिल गया. ओके, एनीबडी कैन अनम्यूट to give the answer, no problem, that I have not stopped. Suppose that you are getting a lottery for 50,000 rupees. Now you can see the screen. Okay, I hope you are able to, yes or no chat box में डालो. Can you see the screen? According to me, you can see the screen. Thank you, children. Nice of you. Just tell me, when you get a lottery of 50,000, आप क्या करेगा? I do not know any one of you, so somebody can give me the answer. Thank you. Unmute yourself and tell, or I will ask somebody. Suppose you got a lottery for 50,000 rupees, क्या करेगा? आवाज किधर गया? सोचने के लिए बोला कि मिला नहीं है.
Ma'am, I want to buy a bike.
Very nice. Okay.
Sir, I invest.
किधर इन्वेस्ट करेगा हीरो? किधर इन्वेस्ट करेगा? बोलो, इन्वेस्टमेंट करेगा बोला, किधर करेगा?
Share market.
Very good. Share market. That's a perfect place. Yes, nice. Investment. People are putting in the chat box also. I am happy, children. Very good. Dekho, somebody wants to buy the bike. No problem. You are the young children. You will feel like buying the bike. Okay, bike hone do, scooter hone do, XYZ. And the problem is when you are going to the shop, okay, you are seeing that there are so many bikes. आपका ही फेवरेट ब्रांड का, बजाज का होने दो, एनफील्ड का होने दो, ईचर मोटर का होने दो, यू आर सीइंग नंबर ऑफ बाइक्स ओवर देयर. बट आप देखा कि many of the bikes are okay. Somebody wants to invest in cryptocurrency. Great. Somebody wants to do shopping. That's nice. That's what I'm telling you. Human beings are different. Bitcoin. Many people, I'm very happy at least you are familiar with Bitcoin. That's it. Cryptocurrency means dhyan se jao. Okay. So the issue is different people are having different interests. That is what is economics. Because we are studying about human being. All are having different ideas. So I was explaining about the student who wants to buy the bike. Young boy say, bike lena, kuch bhi mistake nahi hai. When you went to the shop, I told you, your income is limited. It is 50,000. Then some bikes you like very much. Ekdam attractive. Okay, fancy looking hai. So you really liked it. But the problem is what? That bike is costing 1 lakh plus. So you don't have the money. You may have to go for a lower model of the bike or second-hand bike, whatever is available. Okay, bike खरीदा 50,000 के अंदर. Problem क्या है? एक ही item you can buy. Your money is over. Then you are realizing that I should have taken some dress also. और मम्मी को कुछ पैसा दे सकता था. सिस्टर को एक मोबाइल फोन ले सकता था. ये देखो सब हिंदी में ले सकता था. What do you mean by that in English? I should have done. देखो ये सब करने के लिए प्रॉब्लम क्या है? My wants are unlimited. देखो आप, my wants are unlimited. First I wanted to buy a bike. Then I am realizing that I should have given some money to my mother. I should have purchased a mobile for her or for my sister or brother, whoever. I should have taken some dress. देखो list unending है. Somebody was telling, Madam, I want to invest in the share market. My dear children, Sensex is touching 60,000. अभी ये 50,000 रुपीस में शेयर मार्केट में कौन सा शेयर लेगा मैडम, सोचकर ही मैं पागल हो जाता है. ओके, मेरे को कुछ भी मालूम नहीं है मैडम, लेकिन मैं इतना तो मालूम है रिलायंस अच्छा है, so I am going to buy Reliance shares. The problem is what? One share of Reliance is costing yesterday's rate में 2,400 rupees. So 50,000 में max to maximum you will get approximately 20 shares. Approximately. You will be able to buy 20 shares. Then you are very unhappy. मैडम ये 20 शेयर ही मिलते हैं, मिनिमम तो 100 चाहिए. 100 चाहिए तो ठीक है, उसके लिए तो 2 लाख के ऊपर पैसा चाहिए. Then you thought of buying Reliance, then your friends or share broker XYZ says, don't buy Reliance. Instead, you try to buy HDFC Bank, you try to buy Axis Bank, or you try to buy TCS, Wipro. You are getting so confused. Madam, इतना सारा shares में कैसा लेगा? ये देखो, unlimited wants. Another example. Okay. So children, somebody who said, I want to go for shopping. Shopping में तो it's a very big issue. 50,000 2 घंटे में खर्चा हो जाएगा. Because first I will take dress for myself, madam. I will buy whatever I want to buy for myself. Then you are thinking, मेरा घर में भी मेरा मम्मी है, पापा है, ब्रदर है, सिस्टर है, मैं तो कुछ तो लेना तो चाहिए, जरूर लेना चाहिए. So human wants are unlimited, children. My purpose of explaining is that human wants are unlimited. Second point क्या है? Resources are scarce. You know that scarce means limited. Resources are limited. I told you, you are having only 50,000 rupees. This is the limit. If you won the lottery of 5 lakh, story is different. देखो मैंने क्या बोला? If you won, I have put a word before. If. English में there is a beautiful sentence. There is a beautiful phrase. What is it? I don't know. Have you heard it? If and but. Cut everything. ये देखो. If and but, cut everything. What is the meaning? I had used the word. If I had won 5 lakh rupees lottery, I should have surely entered into share market. I might have brought Bitcoin. I might have entered into cryptocurrency market, XYZ. If I won 10 lakh, देखो everywhere I am using this word if. मेरे को पैसा जीतने पर हुआ ही नहीं है, लॉटरी मिला वो भी 50,000 रुपीस का है. Oh children, time is a problem. Okay. So if I won, English में if आप बोलते हैं, and if I study, no, surely I will complete CA. बराबर है, पढ़ने पर. If I study, I want to become CA, madam, लेकिन मैं पढ़ेगा ही नहीं. जब मूड आएगा उसी दिन पढ़ेगा. That will not work out. So if in English we call it as an impossible clause. Similarly, but ये देखो, I want to buy that bike. हमारा first student का example. But madam, it is costing 1 lakh. That means you cannot buy. Madam, I want to buy 100 shares of Reliance. But देखो, again I am using that word but. I don't have the money. Madam, I want to buy 1 Bitcoin. But madam, it is costing 25 lakhs, 35 lakhs, 13 lakhs. Every day the price is going on changing. I don't have the money. So what we say in English, children, if and but, cut everything. ये देखो, reality में if use करने पर होगा ही नहीं, but use करने पर भी होगा नहीं. Look, madam, I want to enjoy the life, but I don't have the money. Look here. So economics ka problem is, children, please remember, economics is the most interesting subject which we are dealing in daily life. Please remember that. Don't look at economics with a heavy heart. It's the most beautiful subject. So today, almost, it's a free version of the Zoom. Anytime it will get over. First, I will take your attendance, then we will come back. 1 minute, children. I will be sharing the YouTube video. Put the like button, subscribe karo. I hope you are understanding. All this you know better than me. We will continue. I am already having around 500 subscribers. If you children also subscribe, I will be able to touch 1,000. That is my advantage. And I am sure my children will help. Children, we will continue. I have shared the link. Attendance link share kiya hai. You can do that. Okay. In the meanwhile, we are listening. Who was unmuted? So today when we are recapturing or for a recap, when we are doing the recap today, we just have started. Nothing today, just an introduction. What was the introduction, children? What is business economics? Even that we have not started. We just started that, Robbins' definition. That's what we were dealing with today. Leonard Robbins was a very famous economist. So according to him, there are 3 features of economics. Yes, children, what are the 3 features? First point is economics is dealing with economics is a social science. Same point. Economics is dealing with, or economics is a social science. This is the first point, social science. Second, it studies about human being. It will not study about animal. It will not study. Animal ke baare mein study to karega. How to buy and sell animal, how to make use of the animal, that we will study. But that will be in relation with human beings. Please remember that. That will be in relation with human being. Then I told you there are 3 important points in economics. What are the 3 important points? You can take it down. Human wants are unlimited. Resources are scarce. Scarce means limited. And they got alternative uses. We were discussing here. Alternative. I told you alternative uses. You are having 50,000 rupees in hand. You can buy a bike. You can go for shopping. You can buy Bitcoin. You can buy shares. The issue is everything together you cannot do, children. All the alternative ones may aapko kya karna padega. This is what you have studied in 12th standard. The biggest $1 million question is this. Madam, मैं क्या choose करूं? That is the biggest difficult question. That's the main question. How I will choose? That we will be discussing in the next lecture. Economics, ma'am, we are all assuming one fundamental assumption. Human beings are rational. कौन सा भी word समझ में नहीं आया, immediately बोलो. Human beings are rational. Children, what do you mean by rational? A person who think according to reason. Reason के अनुसार think करने वाला आदमी को हम rational बुलाता है. And economics deals with a rational human being who knows how to make the choice. But think making the choice is not an easy joke. After the 12th standard, you had a difficult time. Will you take BCom? Will you take BMS? Will you take BAF? Or will you join in Narayan Guru? Will you go to Somaiya? Will you go to Acharya? देखो अब कितना बड़ा problem था आपके सामने. Finally, you made a choice. Madam, we will join in Narayan Guru. So that is the choice. So economics is dealing with choice. So children, I am just summing it up. Economics is a social science. It studies about human behavior. Then there are 3 features: unlimited wants, limited resources, and alternative uses. I will share this video today itself, and any point is not clear, anytime you can talk to me. We will go slowly, but remember there are full of diagrams. You will have to learn diagrams, that I will teach you, don't worry. So don't bother about immediately buying the textbook, there is no need. By looking at the YouTube, you can prepare the notes. Slowly you can go to the library Okay, as we told, our library is too huge. So you can sit there, you can read and all that stuff. Okay, children? Bye. Have a nice time. Thank you, children.